Tile spacers control joint width and keep large format tiles aligned so grout lines stay uniform while the mortar cures. For large format tile floors, use spacers at every joint to maintain consistent gap and prevent tiles from creeping before the thinset sets. Choose spacer size based on the grout width you want. Larger tiles often look better with slightly wider grout, so consider 3/32 to 1/4 inch depending on tile rectification and floor slope. Press each tile firmly into the mortar and then insert spacers fully so they sit flush with the face of the tile. This ensures the tiles are bearing against the mortar bed and not held off by the spacer. When working with tiles that are very large or heavy, pair each spacer strategy with a lash-style leveling system that uses clips under the tile and wedges above to remove lippage and hold tiles flat during curing. Keep a wet edge of mortar and backbutter large tiles when the manufacturer recommends it to avoid hollow spots and uneven support that can cause movement after setting. Check joints frequently with a long straight edge to confirm planarity and adjust tiles immediately while the mortar is still plastic. Common mistakes include using spacers alone on very large tiles, which can allow edges to tip and create lippage. Add a lash or wedge leveling system to hold adjacent edges level while the mortar cures. Another issue is inconsistent spacer insertion depth that leaves tiles unsupported in spots. Make sure spacers are seated fully against the tile face and that tiles are pressed into the mortar so the bed carries the load. A third problem is setting perimeter tiles too close to walls, which causes stress and cracking when materials expand. Leave a 1/4 inch gap at the wall and plan for an appropriate flexible joint or trim. We run bighomeprojects.com, and our site connects homeowners with local contractors and provides tools to find and compare professionals for large tile jobs. We also host an active discussion community where we and other members share tips, ask questions, and post experiences on tile spacer strategies and installation best practices.